What's up, guys? First of all, happy Thanksgiving. We hope you had a wonderful, wonderful evening with your family. One of the best things about Thanksgiving is that afterwards, for the next whole week, you have so many leftovers and it's the best. But eventually you start getting tired of all the turkey sandwiches, you want to mix it up. So this video, we're going to show you guys how to take your Thanksgiving leftover game to the next level.
So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be making some crepes, and the batter is actually going to include some leftover mashed potatoes, and then we're going to be filling it with all of those awesome leftovers that we left. So we'll go ahead and get started.
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna get started with this crepe batter recipe, and we found it on Butter with a Side of Bread, and we thought it was really cool because it has actually mashed potatoes in it, and then just kind of what you would expect. So it's a cup of mashed potatoes, a cup and a quarter of milk, a half a cup of flour, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and 2 eggs. So really simple, and we just throw it all in the blender and then you're good to go. So it's awesome if you've got family over for Thanksgiving and you just wanna get a quick lunch thrown together. Really easy. So I'll go ahead and get started, and like I said, we're just gonna dump it all in and blend it, and we'll be ready to go.
Okay guys, so Ali did a great job making the batter. We have it all ready to go here. I also added a little rosemary, so if you're feeling kind of crazy, you want to add some spices, go ahead and do that and make it your own and make it something you enjoy. Again, this is our first time trying this batter, so we might be working out some kinks and add a couple things here and there, and if we do add any of that, we'll post that onto our website and onto the post when we add it. Okay, so we have the turkey here. And then we have some stuffing. Of course, you can't have Thanksgiving without some stuffing. And then cranberry sauce to top it off. And then, of course, we have some gravy that we're gonna be filling it with so it stays moist. And what we're gonna do, we have our CrepePro, it's heated up. And we have our batter spreader and our spatula. And these are essential when making good crepes. So we're gonna go ahead and pour the batter into the middle. And one thing is what I should mention is that you're gonna wanna put on some nonstick before you make any crepes. What we'll do, we'll put on a little bit of this beforehand, and maybe if you don't have spray, you can put on some oil or some butter or whatever you have that would work. So we'll put some on in the middle here. And that's a great consistency there. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your batter spreader, you're gonna keep your hand pretty low, and you kind of act like you have a pin over here. Imagine that, and you'll just spread it just like that. And then you'll spread it around in a circle. Great crepe there. And then make sure to, in between crepes, that you take a rag or run under the sink or something to clean off this excess batter to make sure you don't have any issues with making your next crepes. Then you'll let it cook, and then once it starts to brown and starts to thicken and you can see that it's all cooked on the inside, then you'll go ahead and see if you can try to flip it. And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna come under one of these edges like this and just kind of peel it up like that and get under, and then we'll just go ahead and flip it just like that. And then what we're gonna do is, for this particular crepe, we're gonna fold it in half just like this. And then we're gonna add our stuffing first. So we'll put some stuffing here in the middle. Break that up. And make sure too that you heat up your stuffing and your turkey beforehand, just so that's still warm. It'll cook on your CrepePro as well, or on your pan. But it's good to kind of warm up in the microwave. And we'll add our turkey. And just have it kind of shredded, but however you have it will work. And then what we'll do is we'll take the gravy and just kind of drizzle it on here. Then we're going to take this corner, flip it over, side of one, and then we will fill it just like that. And then we're gonna top it with some cranberry sauce. Right in the middle. And you have a perfect Thanksgiving leftovers crepe.
Okay, thanks so much for watching, you guys. We'll make sure we post everything on our website and on our Instagram, but let us know what you thought. Let us know your experience if you're able to try this and make your own mashed potato leftover Thanksgiving crepes, but we really hope you love it.
Yeah, so thanks again guys for watching, and if you are wanting to get your hands on one of our CrepePros, we do have a 20% off sale going on right now until the end of Cyber Monday. So this coming Monday at 12 p.m. the sale will be ending, but if you want to get one for Christmas as a gift for someone in your family, someone that you really love, someone you really care about, right now is the perfect time to do that. It's a perfect gift for anyone who loves to cook. It's a perfect gift for families. You know, if you're making crepes with your family Christmas morning, there's really nothing better. So we absolutely recommend that. It's a great memory, great experience, and you won't regret it. So thank you guys.
Thanks.